to show you how you do the threading on Bernina machine. First of all, we'll do the bobbin. So you can see this, the bobbin go on top of that. Yeah, once you do it, then you bring your thread cross. So you'll see a little knob, and round the bobbin you go 3 or 4 times. Once you have done it, you push your bobbin that side, yeah, and with your foot you press it, and you will see the bobbin is filling now. So you can fill as much as you want. Stop, cut the thread first, and then bring this towards you, pull it, fill the bobbin now, and this is called bobbin case. So you have to put the bobbin in the bobbin case. So when you put it, you put like that, yeah. When you done that, can you see a small cut there, a little cut? So bring your thread there, turn the bobbin little bit, and you'll see bigger hole. Just slide the thread in and check if it's done properly, yeah. After that, you turn the bobbin should face there, bobbin can face there, and you'll see a small round, and it's set there. When you do that, make sure there's another knob which sets the bobbin, that's called hand, and that's there. So you turn the bobbin like that, and when it's done, click, press it, and you will hear the click. Try to pull it so it doesn't stick. So now we are going to do the top thread. Once you have done the bobbin, you are going to thread top. You hold with 2 hands, slide it, and bring the thread down, and then you come right down and under and pull, so it will slot in their hole, and then you can come up. This is called horse. Sometimes you can't see the horse, so you will turn it, the wheel, this side is called a wheel. You turn it, you go around the horse, and you come there, you'll see another knob there. So you hold the thread and goes in this little hook there. I'm going to show you again how you go first there. Follow the line down, under, come there, round it, go up, slot in, it goes in the hole, come down, and there is another one here behind. You can see a knob, little knob. You go behind, and the thread, you can see it here now. You come to thread the needle, so put the foot down and you cut your thread in angle, and then you're going to thread in the needle. See, I put the thread in the hole, so I'm going to pull it and bring forward. When you bring the forward, you hold the thread, and then you turn here. You will see the wheel. You turn the wheel. Don't move this, just hold it, and you will see little movement at the back, and you will see the bottom thread is up now. So you hold both thread, yeah, and lift the foot up and make sure it goes behind. So your thread is ready. Now when you want to check, you just put you can try on a piece of paper or on the material, hold it, and then just press it. You check like that.